I received a question this week on how to use a glue gun. We do two styles of glue gun. We do the S1830, which is the 7mm 10-watt version, and here I'm using the 11mm 50-watt glue gun, which is stock code S1850. Basically, you have to plug the cord into a main socket because you need heat to melt the glue stick, and there's the glue stick. It's actually got two in here, and this is the 11mm glue stick. You push it in the end of the glue gun, and then when you squeeze the trigger, it draws the glue stick through. So I've plugged it in and it's heated up, which takes about 2 to 3 minutes. The glue is already oozing out a little bit, and that will happen all the time. So you can just wipe at the end on a piece of card or a bit of wood. I'm just going to glue this piece of wood onto the piece of laminate flooring, just to show you how easy it is. So the glue's hot. You can see it coming out. You could use it to repair anything off fabric, maybe on a chair, if the heels come off your shoe. One of the most versatile tools you can have at home, ideal for crafters. So I put the glue on there. You now place it on the surface, squeeze it down, and within about 2 minutes the glue would have gone from liquid to solid, and that's basically it. So very easy to use. Once the glue stick is at this point in the gun, it can't be pulled out because it's started to melt. So when you unplug it, give it about 4 to 5 minutes to cool down before you store it, because this end will be very hot. So leave it just to cool down and then put it away. So I trust that helps. Please go to amtechdiy.com if you have any other questions.